Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. It's me, Miss Saima, and I am from Army Public School and College Khanewal. It's week 1, subject English language, class 8, and it's 2nd April 2020. And this is APSEX online sport program, and it's day 1. And today we will going to start our new chapter, that is Unit 1, My Family and Me, and it's our first lesson and first lecture of the session 2020 in 8th class. So I am your new teacher and today's first lecture with me. So our first lecture is just, already, still and yet. These four words and these four words are adverbs. I will give you detail further. First of all, you should open your pages, that says textbook page number 18 and workbook page number 8. So kindly open them. Okay. Now I come towards our objectives, and for our today's lessons, our objectives are: we will be able to use the four adverbs in sentences correctly. So our objectives are four adverbs in sentences correctly. We will be able to use four adverbs in sentences correctly. And what are those four adverbs? Yes, tell me. These four adverbs are already, just, still, and yet. Okay. Now we come towards our success criteria, and our success criteria is: remember to, we only use just and already in affirmative sentences, and we use still in questions, affirmative and negative sentences, and questions. So as this success criteria shows that we only use just and already in affirmative sentences. In affirmative sentences we use just and already, and we use still in questions, those sentences in which we ask some type of question, so we use in still there. And in affirmative and negative sentences we also use still and in question. Okay, so these are our objectives. Sorry, these are our success criteria. Okay, this was our success criteria. Now I come towards brainstorming. So I want to ask you that what are adverbs? Yes, tell me. Yes, adverbs are the addition in the verbs. Adverbs are those words which modify the verbs. So we only use just and already in affirmative sentences, and we use still in questions, affirmative and negative sentences, and questions. Okay. So today we present some basic information for understanding the meaning of these adverbs and where to put them in sentences. Okay, students, it is very confusing for all of us that how we can place these four adverbs correctly, because these four adverbs confuse us a lot. That's where we use already, where we use just, where we use yet, and these adverbs always confuses us. So today, what we are going to do? Today we are going to resolve this confusion, that how we use this these adverbs correctly and in proper place. Okay, so there are four adverbs: still, already, yet, and just. So still is used to talk about an action that is continuing for a longer time than expected. The action has not changed, often goes to the middle. Yes, still is always we use in the middle of the verb or sentence, or before the verb. Yes, we always use in the middle of the sentence and before the verb. Okay, students, tell me, what is adverb? What is verb? Yes, I will ask some questions for you, and these are very critical thinking. This is critical thinking for you, that what are these related words, what are their meanings. So yes, verbs. Verbs are the action words: to be something or being something. Any action, anything which you do, that is a verb. Okay, ji. I am still married to Jim. She is still waiting for some and we still haven't finished. So these are the examples of still and already and examples. So already is used to talk about, already is used to talk about. Yes. So we use already for, we use already for, yes, we have already had a dinner, and this one is with okay, already is used to talk about things that have happened often earlier than expected. Yes, already is used those things which those things which are happened often earlier than expected, means we expect that this will happen day after tomorrow, but that happened tomorrow. So this is the situation that we expect it on some time and it has happened on an other time. So these were in these we have used already. I have already met Robert. We have already had dinner. Katie has already seen the film. Katie has already seen the film, and they have already sold the house. Okay. If we talk about yet, yet is used in questions and negative sentences. Yes, I have already told you about this. And it shows that we are expecting something to happen, and yet usually come at the end of the sentence or question. And have you finished your homework yet? These are the examples of yet. Fine. Yet examples. Yes. And he has not spoken to the boss. Has they written the report? And I have not paid the bill yet. So all yet came at the end of the sentence. So this is the basic thing which you should keep in your mind, that yet always come at the end of the sentence, already comes in the middle of the sentence, and still also comes in the middle of the sentence, and just also comes in the middle of the sentence. Okay, we use just to express actions that have happened recently, and we usually use the present perfect tense for just. Yes, just goes between the auxiliary have, has, and the post participle. Fine. So these always gone between the auxiliary verbs has and have, like this. Yes, had dinner. So just and has just, have just, has just. Yes. So these are the examples of the just. They have just had dinner. She has just gone home. I have just finished. And Peter has just talked to me. So these are the examples of these four adverbs. Okay. Now we talk about already. So already, as I already told you that I have already finished the English task. So this is also used here at the middle of the sentence. And just, he has just left to school. Okay. And then still, they still have not woken up, and yet Peter has not asked me out yet. Has John split up with his girlfriend yet? So these are all the examples of yet and still. Okay. Already, just, still, yet. We often use the present perfect with the adverbs just, yet, and already. We use just for very recent events. Just goes after the auxiliary verb have. I have just finished, and the taxi has just arrived. They have just finished. So these are the examples of the just. Okay. We use yet when we are expecting something to happen. Yet normally goes to the end of a sentence, and it is only used in questions. Yes. This thing you should keep in your mind, that yet is always used in questions, and it goes at the end of a sentence. So if we keep these things in our mind, then we will never be confused that where we place them, where we use yet, we use in questions. So you should keep this in note in affirmative sentences and translation and negative sentences. Yes, we can also use them in negative sentences, but not in affirmative sentences. Has the postman come yet? She has not finished yet. Okay. We use already when something has happened sooner than expected. Yes, as we have already discussed it, that already is always used when we are supposed that this thing will happen at this time, but that thing happens earlier than we expected. So this is the basic thing which we have which we keep in our minds, that already is always used when something happens sooner or earlier. So she has already left, she has left already, she has not left yet. A go denotes from the present moment to a point in the past. Yes. And I met him 3 years ago. Yes, as in this sentence. I met him 3 years ago means he met him 3 years before. Yes, in this we talk about past. Okay. Ask questions to your partner. Yes, here are some examples. So these are the you can say that it is a type of like this. It's a dialogue. And have you gone to the break yet? Yes, I have already gone to the break. No, I haven't gone to the break yet. So it's like a dialogue between two friends. So you can come to know the clear points about the gone, already gone, and yet. So you come to clear points about this. You come to know these points very clearly. Okay, have you had lunch? Have you had lunch yet? Yes, I have already had lunch. No, I haven't had lunch yet. Okay, now this is all. And if you have any question, you can ask. But at the end, I want to give you a recap of this lesson. So what we have discussed, we have discussed 4 adverbs. Fine. So what are those adverbs? These adverbs means the addition in the verbs, those verbs which those words which more explain about the give more explanation about the verbs. And what are adverbs? Verbs are the action words, to do something or being something. So these are the, yes, we have 4 adverbs like still, yet, already, and just, and we discussed their examples also. So that's all for today's lecture. If you have any questions, you can just write them on your assignments and send it on AIS. And inshallah, I will give you answers positively and individually. So don't worry, just take responsibility that you just do your assignments, and so that your teacher feel that yes, yes, her students are following her lectures, and they are observing those lectures and taking the data from there, and also done their assignments. So this thing make us happy. Okay, that's all from my side. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you very much.